This is the Zimmer 291-piece cable management cord organizer kit. This has been provided by the distributor, but every opinion showed in this video is my own. I will go over all the components in this kit. These are 50 of reusable cable straps. There are 30 black, 5 grey, 5 yellow, 5 green and 5 blue. They're really easy to use. As you can see, you can just put them around the cable where you need it. And when you're done, you can just put it there. Or when you want to reuse it, you can just get it off there and use it on another place. These are the 17 self-adhesing cable clips that included in this kit. They're really easy and nice to use. It's an easy mechanism. You can just put it, click it in, and then it will work and will hold it very tightly. And you can click it out and then you will just unlock the mechanism. It's reusable, so it's really easy to use. You peel off the strip, then you put it on the table or something where you want it. And it just sticks on there pretty much instantly. You don't have to make it wet or something. And it just stays in place, and then you can hook up some cables to it. So you can guide cables through it and then click it. And you can hold it on that place where you want it. They're really good, and it's a really good mechanism that's not too loose and works really well. These are 2 rolls of self-adhesing cable ties. You can cut them in any length that you want. That makes them really nice to just use in any situation. They stay neatly together, so you don't have to use any glue or something just to put them together. They will work and stick together. But also for storage, they just stay together. You don't have to put them especially in something. They just stay clean, stay together, and you can easily cut them, some little force. And then, for example, you can tie up 2 cables like this together. And you can just make a small fitting for them, but you can also use them just for large cables or for other situations. Really nice addition. These are the 2 cable sleeves with zippers. You just gather some cables, wrap the sleeve around and zip it up. It's a perfect way to hide your cables. It makes a clean and finished look. The zipper is really easy to access. You just put the left and the right top together and you can zip it. And it's a really nice and high quality made zipper, so it won't get stuck anywhere, and you have a lot of tolerances between the parts. Your cable won't get stuck in it also. It's a really easy and nice way just to hide your cables and make it more professional. So for example, I use it here on some cable groups. Put it in there, just zip it up, and you can see how cleanly it looks. It's a really nice and easy mechanism just to use, and you can just zip it off when you're done or when you have to change some cables out. It's overall a really nice product to have. These are the 17 self-adhesive cable clip holders. They're really easy and small to use. You can see you have a 1 cable clip, you have a 2-part, and you have a 3-part cable clip holder. And they're really clean, matte black, and with a self-adhesive strip on the back. You just pull off the top side of the self-adhesive strip like this, and you put it on the surface that you wanted to stick it on. And then you can put a smaller cable, not an Ethernet cable, through it, and you can hold, for example, your cable. These are the 20 reusable cable twists. It's an easy design for tying up cables. You have to just twist the clip around and it will lock itself. It's a really easy mechanism that you can use while organizing your cables like this. Put a pair of cables through it or 3 cables and click it, and they're paired together. These are the 200 fastening cable ties. You have a black pair and you have a white pair. Here are the black cable ties. Just standard cable ties that you can use You just put it to the hole of the cable tie, and when you push it through it, it will fasten itself. It's non-reusable, so one time we use only and then it's stuck. But this makes for a really nice permanent solution. Let's look how I use them. I use them to tie up my power cables and make a nicely fit under my table. So like this, and now they're out of the way. Really nice, overall good product. This kit is just fully complete, and you don't need any cable organizing stuff in the up and coming years when you just buy this kit.